here we are. Springtime. It's a little early spring, probably not even spring yet here in the Midwest. And gonna get at it. Do a little in-place frame paint touch-up here. Hit the frame with a little bit of 220 sandpaper and sand it off the important spots. I'll probably have a drop cloth over the front of this and the back here. And I'm just gonna hit it with some gloss paint and some gloss clear coat, a couple of applications there. That should look nice. Also, the back is not loving those drag bars for long trips. Just got a set of these Renthal 7/8 high-rise bars we're gonna put on. Should be nice. Make sure I can get a little bit of a longer ride out of it. So yeah, that's the plan here for late March, and hopefully have this back up and running here in April. One other thing, the BMW bars, especially for the throttle, is 22 millimeter, and it's hard to find a wide array of 22 millimeter bars. I usually end up buying 7/8 bars and then grinding it down a little bit, since 22 millimeters is a little bit larger, just a hair larger than 7/8. So 7/8 bars, 7/8 is a little larger than 22 millimeters, so 7/8 has got to get ground down a bit. So the end of this will meet the grinding wheel, and we will make sure everything fits nice and snug. Welcome back. It's been a while since I posted an update on what I've been working on here. I guess I have another video, but I did replace the handlebars with a set of Renthal handlebars. They're a low height. I'll have another link with another update where we'll go through the replacing of the handlebars and grips and whatnot. Still got to clean up my cables. Wasn't sure if I was happy with the ride height and the adjustment. Been out a couple times with the new bars, make a world of difference. Really like it. A little easier on my back for longer rides. But today, we're not talking about handlebars. We're talking about the headlight mount. So I have this kind of makeshift mount here. I have this bolt just hanging in there. I'm going to replace that in a second, loosened up. But I went, found a set of, this guy's still a little bit taken apart, and been just test fitting here. Headlight mount here. So that's what that guy's going to look like. They're 40 millimeter for the forks. So that was something I had to take into account. But basically, they're going to mount there. They're going to take over the duties of holding that headlight up. And it's going to pop it out a little bit more. See how it looks. But basically, it's pretty straightforward install. You have these little, I don't know, it was like a 3 millimeter Allen wrench. I don't know if you can see that. Hex. Camera's not focusing great there. And clamp those onto the forks. You can kind of move them up and down as I like. I'm going to tighten up these guys, make it straight, work on the angle, and then we'll mount the headlight to it. So it should be a 10-minute job. I guess we'll see. Mounting the headlight was pretty fast, pretty easy. However, after I got the headlight mounted, I did not care for how far in front of the fork the headlight was mounted. I did revert to the original bracket. I like the side brackets on this mount, just did not care for the distance between the fork and the headlight. It gave it a bit of a bug-like appearance. We will check back and see if there's another mount for the bike that can be used. For now, I'm happy with the original mount. Here you'll see the updated handlebars. The headlight has been mounted to its original position, and the frame has some updated paint. So it was a wonderful day for a ride. The handlebars made a world of difference. The ride comfort is exponentially improved. One of those things I should have done probably a year or two ago. So thank you for watching. If you want to see more, I will be taking on
replacing the stock K100 exhaust next time with an aftermarket exhaust. Probably something that should have been done years ago as well. Please like and subscribe. Feel free to add comments below. Thanks for watching.